gang, nature is beautiful. Go outside, man. Look at this fucking colorful ass rocks. Fucking bisexual log. TV girl reference. TV girl reference. I'm fucking autistic as hell. Rock. Huh. No bugs. Weird. Is that another rock? Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that shit? Is that shit? I shall investigate further. I shall not. That looks disgusting. I should like re-put nature back into its place. Okay, fucking don't listen to me, nature. Fine. I'll poke at it. I'll poke at it. Ooh, is that clay? Looks like poke.